Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. This is just an update for this 2005 Porsche Cayenne transmission issue. Just to recap, the cluster shows D even though you have shifted the transmission lever. Now, I haven't fixed it yet, but I compiled a list of possible solutions that I found online that might help other people out there, and it might be the solution in your case. So let's get started. The first thing we need to check is the driver's side footwell. As we all know, if the sunroof drains are clogged, it goes into the driver's side footwell. And water is the #1 enemy of our cars. So open up your footwell and check for any wetness. In my case, my car is bone dry in this area, so I know that it's not water that's causing the problem. But check on yours. Make sure that all the connectors and wires are not corroded from any water seepage coming in. Next is the shifter area. As you can see, I have disassembled it. I found a few people online who said that the problem was their green board. They saw some corrosion on it, so they just bought a full new green board, put it in, and that solved their issue. Then some people said that the mat with magnets is separated and torn. So they just bought a new mat with magnets so that this is aligning with the board, and that solved their issue. In my case, the green board is okay and the mat with magnets is not torn or separated. Here's something I found very interesting though. Right now I have the vehicle on idling, and if I shift the lever, as you can see, it's not shifting on the cluster gauge, right? Neutral, park. So this never changed. But watch this. If I erase the check engine light, if I say yes to this, watch the cluster. I'll say yes. It turns back to P. And after that, I'm able to shift and it will change the transmission display. Neutral, drive, D1, reverse, park. So it goes back to normal. But if I turn off the vehicle and turn it on again, then it goes back to D and the check engine light is on again. So that's something that's very, very interesting. So that is the update for now. If you have the same problem, please try the possible solution I just mentioned. One of them might be the solution in your case. I will keep everyone updated if I ever find a solution to this. But if you know a solution or can point me to the right direction on how to figure this out, please send me a message or leave a comment below. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjeff, and thank you for watching.